A very one good morning to all my dear students. Hopefully you all are well and healthy at your home. In this lockdown period, we got this opportunity to study through these online live classes. So today I will teach you the class 8 chapter 1 our part 3 part 1 chapter name how, when, where. But before that I request you all students open your book, copy, pen, pencil in front of you. We will study the first chapter of history, chapter name how, when, where. So in this chapter, the first thing which comes in mind, what is the meaning of history? Can anybody explain what is the meaning of history? Yes, history is the study of the past. History is the study of the past. Historians who have written records, documents about battles, war, various this is the basic background of history. Is divided into basically three parts: ancient history, medieval history and modern history. History has been associated with dates and big events. It is about before and after. Initially, it was an account of battles, big events, about rulers and their policies. Open your book, page number 1. How important are dates? There was a time when historians were fascinated with dates. There were heated debates about dates on which rulers were crowned or battles were fought. What is the meaning of debate? Debate means discussion on public interest, discussion on important topic of public interest. Historians, one who writes about the event of the past, how things were and how they changed. And important topic, stretch of time means duration or period. In the common sense notions, history was synonymous with dates. Synonymous, synonymous with dates. You may have heard people say, I find history boring because it is all about memorizing dates. You may have heard people say, I find my history boring because it is all about memorizing date. It is such a conceptual truth. Explain. Why do we call our history our past? We call our history our past because it is about finding how things were and how things they have changed. What is subject matter of historians these days? Historians these days write about a host of issues and deals with other questions. They discuss the means of livelihood, production, food, lifestyles. They also deal with the cities development and markets, demographic changes, dress, production, and host of related things of our past. They also discuss how new kingdoms were formed, new ideas were formed, and how culture and society change according time to time and evaluation of the person transition. Number two, is it correct to fix precise dates for long-term process? Though the dates are parts of history, but sometimes it is incorrect to associate dates with the events that happened over a long period of time. For example, one cannot fix a date of establishment of British power, British rule over India, or about change in economy or society. This topic, next para, come to history is certainly about change that occur over time. It is about finding how things were and in the past and how things were have changed. As soon as we compare the past with present, we refer to time. We talk of before and after. Living in the world, we do not always ask historical questions about what we see around us. We take things for granted, as if what we see always been in the world we inhabit. But most of us have our moments of wonder when we are curious and we ask someone sip a cup of tea at roadside stall. You may wonder. This is very uncommon and common matter in our daily life. Every person sip a cup of tea. Can anybody say when were people started cup of tea or coffee? There is no fixed answer. When people begin to drink tea or coffee, looking out of the window of a train, you may ask yourself, when were railway built and how did people travel long distance before the age of railways? Reading the newspaper in the morning, you may be curious to know how people get to hear about things before newspaper began to be printed. In this topic, why do we continue to associate history with the strings of date? This association has a reason. Number one, during the past, history was an account of battles and big events. It was about rulers and their policies. Number three, historians wrote about the years during which was a king crowned, the year he married, the year he died, and the year the next ruler succeeded to the throne. For such event that could be specified. Figure number 1. Look at book Brahman offering the Shastra to Britannia, front page of to the first map produced by James Renell. Renell was James Renell 1782. Renell was asked by Robert Clive to produce maps of Hindustan, an enthusiastic supporter of British conquest of India. Renell saw preparation of map as essential to the process of domination. The picture here tries to suggest that Indians willingly gave over their ancient text to Britannia, the symbol of the British power, as if asking her to become the protector of Indian culture. Have you any doubt in this topic? You can ask question only for 30 seconds. Okay, proceed. All such historical questions refer us back to notions of time, but time does not have to be always preciously dated in terms of